Communication is more about giving yourself permission to speak than just about learning techniques. How many of you believe in this? Now, just imagine, okay, you are a professional who is going for a work every day, and now at work you have to present the ideas, you have to talk to different delegates, you have to interact with your co-workers, you have to interact with your manager. So there are so many things that you have to do, and one key point overall is communication. Now this is something that happens with the professional. Now let's come to the business owners. Now if you're a business owner, let's say you need to interact with your clients, you need to focus on your sales, you need to look after your inventories, you need to take care of your back end work, and you need to also take care of anyone like employees if you have. And here also you realize that in order to keep everything go smooth, you need to communicate well. Now why I made you to imagine both the scenario is because we somewhere forget that communication is a very important role. And when I tell about communication, it's not about speaking in a very beautiful perfect way. It's just about being able to deliver your ideas well, being able to express yourself well, so that the other person is able to understand what you're going to say. I know there is so many people who talk about being very fluent with your communication and everything. I agree with them, I have no issues, but for me, basically communication is all about you need to be clear enough so that the other person is able to understand you, and also that is a to and fro communication. That is a communication for me. Now if you are professional or a business owner, you realize that communication is something that you need to learn, and then you go for a communication courses, you take the courses. Now I'm not talking ill about communication courses, because even I have taken a lot of communication courses. These really helped me with my communication, but even after you complete that communication course and you need to use them in the real world situation, you somewhere fall behind, somewhere still you feel that, oh, something is not going right. You start to compare yourself with the other stuffs. You start to question that I had thought after doing communication courses I should be able to speak fluently, I should be able to share my ideas and opinions confidently, but here I am not even able to do it. And the thing that miss here is confidence. And this confidence doesn't come from learning more courses or learning more techniques and tools. These are just helping you to add on to your communication. But confidence comes when you allow yourself to express, when you let yourself to speak out, when you let yourself to express confidently. Otherwise, if you don't allow yourself to speak confidently or speak openly, speak freely, you will never be able to use those communication techniques that you have learned. So, when I say that communication is more about giving yourself permission to speak, it just means this. It just means that you need to allow yourself to go beyond your doubts, go beyond your fears, go beyond your insecurities. Fears like judgment, fears like being judged by others, insecurities like not being able to share your ideas properly, or you might not speak properly in a grammatical way. Doubts like, what if I go mute when someone says something, what if I go silent when someone asks me something. So these are certain doubts, fears and insecurities that you need to overcome in order to use those techniques that you have learned in those courses. So since you have been listening this video until now, the only thing that I want you to take away from this video is, do go for communication courses, but along with that also work on your doubts, fears and insecurities, because those are the things which will allow you to practice what you have learned. If you just keep on adding knowledge to your brain and you're not using it in a practical world, you're not allowing yourself to use it in a practical world, then it will just stay as a knowledge. And that is the mistake that I had done. But when I realized that I have to go beyond these fears, doubts and insecurities, things started to change. I am now able to make videos, I'm now able to make conversation with anyone, I'm now able to set intention before communicating, so I know where my communication goes. So this was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and comment below what other thing you want me to talk about in these videos. Thank you so much. And also, before you go, I have something to share as well. Since we are talking about communication, and you know that I'm a life coach and psychologist, I also give communication audit, like it's a 30-minute free audit wherein I help you to find out these fears, insecurities, or doubts, whatever are stopping you from expressing yourself or from communicating yourself. So if you want to understand what are these things that stopping you from expressing yourself, you can just drop your comments, or you can connect with me on LinkedIn or Instagram. So that was it for today. Thank you so much. Or I think I'll just ping the details about communication audit in the description. So that was it for today. Thank you so much, and we'll meet again in the next video.